Hi there, welcome to the unboxing of Oraimo OSW 20 smartwatch. This is also known as Oraimo Tempo W2. If you are new here, a subscribe to this channel will be much appreciated. Let's unwrap this cutie and get down to business. Oraimo OSW 20 price in Nigeria is 15,900 naira, equivalent to about $34 US. On the package comes the features of this watch, such as the calories, the full touchscreen, notifications, pedometer, stopwatch, IP67 waterproof rating, heart rate monitor, 24 training modes, activities and sleep tracking, music controls, blah blah blah. And at the back, the picture of two baba checking his Oraimo OSW 20 smartwatch with the specs. Let's see what's inside the box. Cut the caution seal to open it up. Wow, this looks like a black ruby. Let's see what else we can find in the box. Is the USB circle-shaped charger for the smartwatch. Next comes the welcome guide, which is also known as the manual. It is written in English. Back to the watch. It is made from zinc alloy, which is not going to rust for a very long time. The screen and sensor has protective sticker at the back. The removable strap is made from polycarbonate, which is a good one. It came in at 75%. Let's charge it up to 100%. I'll leave it up here and tell you how long it takes to full charge. In just 45 minutes, this Oraimo OSW 20 smartwatch went from 75% to 100%. Nice. With its 1.2 full HD touchscreen, you can see apps and call notification, even everything bigger and more colorful, and it is quite responsive. This Oraimo OSW 20 smartwatch can monitor your heart rate. In fact, the sensors give you a vibrating alert when you have an abnormal heart rate. It can play, pause and skip music without you bringing out your phone. It can help you during your exercise or sport activities with 24 training modes. You can search for your phone even if you forget it somewhere with just your smartwatch. You can receive call and text notification right on your smartwatch screen. You can also use the stopwatch feature. You can use it to track your sleeping pattern at night. And as a young lady or a woman, you can use it to track and understand how your body works and many much more. To connect this Oraimo smartwatch to your device, simply download and install HEUER 2 app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create or sign in with your HEUER account using your email or mobile number. Fill in the current information such as your height, weight, gender, etc. Follow the on-screen instruction to connect and pair up your device using the Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. In the coming weeks, I'll be reviewing this very smartwatch just to show you how long the battery lasts and some other informations that I have not checked out. So subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that I can receive more updates and unboxing videos like this. Thank you for clicking the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. In conclusion, the Oraimo OSW 20 smartwatch or the Tempo W2 is a very useful smartwatch. Buy one now. You can check the link in the description below. See you soon. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace. So, okay? Alright. Good. Excellent. So, okay?